Portable smart TVs combine mobility, smart software, and modern design to create a completely new category of home display. Unlike traditional TVs, these devices feature movable stands and rotating screens, allowing users to easily adjust viewing angles and relocate the screen around the house. In the morning, it can function as a fitness trainer screen that guides your workout routine. During the day, it becomes a productivity monitor for remote work or online meetings. At night, the device turns into a personal cinema for movies and entertainment. The integration of smart operating systems also allows access to apps, wireless screencasting, and internet content. As global demand continues to grow, production capabilities are expanding to support international markets. The China Ekinder Portable Smart TV Factory is now officially in mass production, providing reliable OEM and ODM manufacturing for distributors and brands worldwide. Portable smart TVs represent a new generation of flexible display technology